Non fare così, amore. Non fare così. Per favore.
Io metto a lui vado via oggi. Basta.
Tu non
io prendo il taxi e mi ritorno a via.
What is that? The video hour.
No worries.
Adesso devo morire. Adesso devo morire. Adesso devo morire. Adesso devo morire. Devo morire adesso. Devo morire adesso.
C'è tutto il video. Capito?
Come sarà mai la tua
quando
portata?
sono mio figlio, chiamami. Basta con oggi. Non ce la fa più per tu fare. Capito? Tu puoi.
Dammi le chiavi. Di casa mia.
C'è tutto, c'è chiaro.
Dove?
Chiaro intero qui.
Dove?
C'è qui.
Dove?
Video da qui metti sia.
Dove? Dove?
Sia con io.
Dove? Dove?
Come è? Di tutto parlo di come è.
Dove? Dove?
The video mind like this. The video mind. Ok, vai adesso, vai a tutti.
Dove? 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 Dammi le chiavi.
The video.
No, no, ti prego.
Così non va bene.
No.
Così non va bene.
Facebook, live, tutto personale.
Ah, così non va bene. L'ho visto io. Così non va bene.
Ma io prendo un taxi e me ne vado a via.
Questo è video live.
Basta!
Video live.
Guarda!
Questo è per voi, siete fuori di testa.
Where the key? He did it too.
No.
Open the door, they go. Now,
Guarda c'è qua!
Papà Congo. Scusa. Cosa vuoi uscire? Cosa vuoi uscire? Non c'è la più. Basta, io non ce la fa così. Questo non è il mio abitudine, c'è la famiglia tu.
Cazzo di merda! Ti do i soldi io per mantenere la tua famiglia! Cazzo! Ti do i soldi io per la tua famiglia di merda!
Come sta la tua famiglia?
leave on, me love door, me leave on. Hold it, go.
Come stai? Si deve vedere. Come stai? Si deve vedere.
Non vuole.
Si deve vedere. Ok, chiudi la cosa.
Umoru la du gwere na apema wa mi umoru yo umoru la du ni coffee na na du mo chare na apema wa mi video ne mi na wa re za femie la li meme imo epa ni matire ro mo eni mo epa bo ni pa ma bo umoru coffee lo na mi ke message do give ai family ba le ke iyo pa wa o egu ona ya le ke na abadu umoru na la edo fi mo chwa emi na edo yemi na o na because meme ime mi matilu these are me video na message never le yes umoru o ifogu because o akepa bo me ime mi matilu ime pabo iwo go ni matilu de ole ti ni matila nawa nilu na ime pabo afema ono mo pabo re pa ma obo opa ma obo awuchi je tu maza bare those state people lima clear ono tu manati ma so konuma because ime ni pabo ni mati esin gbe ayale la take care ni na po leke na leader me video wa ni ma lele o no bana to ni moto no do ni guy no do umoru aneri umoru o na yo mere mi ela amara do pa kogwa mi oyo ni moto na do pa ko lo na yo leader me ko liwa ni ba soko wa e soko gwa meme ira se dog wa fe ni wa mi o wa kala gbe.
Yeah, my lovely people, now see what happened for inside this video. I think some of you have learned some lesson. You have seen what happened inside this video. For many of you that did not understand the language they are speaking, this is Italian language. They are letting us to know that this particular guy, you see the coffin, that they are carrying the coffin, he was the one that was dragging with that Oyibo woman, with that white lady, with that Italian lady. According to the information that we gathered, we heard that this Italian lady was his girlfriend. They were living together. I think maybe they have one son, one child like that or something. So now I think the guy is fed up and he wants to leave the relationship, whereby the lady was begging that please don't go, don't go. We heard when the lady was saying no, don't go, please don't go. If you leave me, I will die. If you leave me, I will die. Please don't go. And the lady was trying to hit her just to let him know that she's angry, she's annoyed. Was trying to hit her, beat nonsense come up for her eye to let her know say he still love my beg, don't go. But the guy insisted going. And we heard when the lady was asking where is the key of the house, the guy said the key he threw the key is on the floor. Then the lady did not still want him to go. And the lady was saying that he normally the boy said they are videoing this thing and they are showing it on social media, on Facebook, whereby his family will find out. Then the lady now replied to him that what a fucking family. That same family I was the one giving you money to send to your family, your stupid family at home, but now look at what you want to do to me, you want to leave me. The lady said, the man told him that I'm going anytime you want from my child, just let me know. But the lady refused. But finally the guy left the house. But now we found out that after 2 days that the guy left the house, I think they saw the guy's dead body where it was hanged. According to the information that we heard, we are still doing research to know what actually happened in this particular incident. So now they told us that the guy hanged himself, and you people have now see how they took the boy's dead body to the mortuary. And according to them, they are letting us to know that this particular guy is from Awuchi, from Edo State, Nigeria. What am I trying to say in this particular video? Why am I showing it? This is just an advice for some of us, a lot of us that are in this same condition. Because we all remember, we know that in Europe or in America it's not easy, especially for their documents. So people try to get involved with all these their old women, their men, their old men, because of documents. Because they said maybe if you marry them, they can even give you documents, or maybe they can assist you with money, so on and so forth. So a lot of people are trying to, provechare, trying to just provechare, just to make it. So some of them now will now go to lie with all these type of old women, this and that. And for me, this is very, very wrong, Don't use because of anything to be with anybody. Love is not something that you will just fall in love because you need something from that person. Love is natural. When you know that you don't love this person natural, it's because of something that you need. Please don't do that, because this might lead to a very, very sad situation whereby we see this particular case now. And we all remember that even white women, their love, they don't use it to play. Even within them, white, to leave each other is very, very hard. Really, something normally happens, something like this. But we don't know, we cannot conclude if it's the woman that did it or not, because I believe the police are still doing the research to find out, to know what really happened to this particular guy. But for a moment, they just put on that he hanged himself. Boo! That is so strange, That is really, really so strange. So a lot of you that are being with white women or white men because of documents or because of money, please stop it. It is not good. It is not good. Don't try to gain something from somebody. Always pray. It's only God that can give you. God that leads you to that same country, that leads you out of the Mediterranean Sea, out of the deserts, out of even Libya, so on and so forth. That same God will give you what you need. He will rescue you. Just pray to God, because some of you don't want to pass the hard time. And you remember, you forgot that they always say that suffer before pleasure. There is nothing come easy. You must suffer before you gain it, But many people don't want to suffer. They don't want to, make it in a hard way. They just need it so easy. Whereby some of them now will be dating all these old women. Somebody that is enough to be your mother. And if you remember, we know that white women, a lot of them sleep with dogs. Many of them sleep with animals. They make love with dogs. And we have seen whereby some even white people say, why sleeping with these our black men or our black girls, that we even put the dog at the center of the bed. We have seen the story like that. So this is not good. This is very, very unfair. And we remember that when you friend somebody or you marry somebody because of documents, when you said you are done, you are not doing it again, that person will take that document away from you, and that is what is happening. If you look around, you will see a lot of Senegal men that frustrated, that their life was frustrated because of this same act. A lot of them marry white ladies, white men, you know, but at the end, when they will fed up with the marriage, because the marriage, these people will always like to control them. They will always tell them to do this, do that, and whereby they will not even want you to have friends, they want you to talk to your family or anybody, they just want to keep you aside, you know. So a lot of those Senegal men that don't want to do again, many of them got frustrated because at last they will take everything away from you. If it is money, if it is paid document, they'll take it away from you. If it's work, you will lose it. Whereby a lot of them are now sleeping on the streets, staying on the streets after so many years in Europe. This is so bad and so frustrating. And we find out now that, as this guy was saying, his child, remember that had it been this child now is a black lady, we go home and look for the mother. There is the father's place, no matter the country the father came from. But now, I don't believe that this Italian man will ever take, this Italian lady will ever take this child to Nigeria, to Edo land, to go and look for the origin of the father, you know, to go and look for the family of the man. I don't think so. So now you lose every side. You lose your child, you lose your dignity, you lose your life, you lose everything, all because of you want one thing or the other. I was making one video today concerning Rude Boy. That is the P Squared and group that Anita, his wife, wants to divorce. So Anita posted a picture of a white lady that Paul took one picture that Paul took with the white lady, meaning that Paul is dating that white lady. So I try to give people advice that why are you people doing this kind of thing? A lot of stars, a lot of rich men that are white, they normally marry themselves. Why is it that once you black people are rich, you will just putting your eyes on white lady? What is wrong with our black women? And if you look around, Anita herself has been with Paul for so many years, for good 14 years to 2004. Two of them battled together. They fought together, they made it together. So why now today? And not that the lady did not have children. The lady have 3 children. Even of recent, she put birth to twins, one boy and one girl. So what is making you to leave this your African woman? One boy was commenting nonsense that African ladies, that they don't have money to give to men. Is it woman that will give you money, or is it you that will take care of your wife? We don't understand. So that is one thing that is misleading a lot of our African men. I overheard one guy, the same thing, at one saloon in Brussels, in Belgium. The guy was even saying that when immediately he entered, he started complaining. Our black lady, they don't give their men money, they don't take care of their men. When you go to Spama, the restaurant, white lady will pay for everything. You will pay, well, you pay half, white lady will pay half. But I remember that a lot of our black girls suffer for these same men that are saying all this rubbish. I remember our parents back home, and I remember some white guys, some black ladies in Europe or in America that are even suffering, catering for the family, you know, providing for the family. But at last, at the end, their men never appreciate it. They still want to go for the white lady. So why won't they call us that our brain are not working? Even animals have brain more than the black people. It's somehow. It's not that I'm trying to be racist or trying. No. This is just the fact and the truth. Because if you go and do research, you will see that all the white stars, whether being it footballer, being it musician, being it music producer, that is a movie star, so on and so forth, all will try to marry their white people, you know. But once black person becomes stars, all what he will go for is white lady. So what is wrong with you people? I don't understand. And a lot of our women have been frustrated also while trying to take care of our men, because at last the men will not dump them after so many years that they cater for them, they provide. They will not dump them because they don't have enough. You know, they say the white lady have enough to give to them. You don't even care to know where this lady is getting this money from. If he's doing the blood film or he's making love with dog or so on and so, you don't care. All what you care is the money, you know. But at last, you can see how it goes. It doesn't work that way. You cannot just eat it and have it all, you know. It doesn't work that way. So you people should start appreciating what you have. Start appreciating it, and also stop dating somebody because of what you need from that person. Date with love, and only love can conquer all types of evil things, you know. Had it been there is love, I don't think this kind of issue will come up today. So my lovely people, this is how the issue is, you know. Please try to share this particular video so that other people will still know what is going on, and they will still try to advise each other so that we know why we left our country. We have to keep our dignity, our culture, and we have to know who we are, because of all this type of nonsense. There is the white people, a lot of them, they don't respect black. They don't respect black because they know the condition, they know why you left your country. So many of them will try to just try to hook you down because they want to give you money. They'll like to make you do all sort of things that you don't want to do because of money. Please don't do it, my dear. Don't do it. Always pray. It's only God that can help you. You know, human being doesn't give something for free. It's only God that can give you for free. So thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Humdays TV, and also follow us on our Facebook page. Goodbye and bye for now.